This one is new for the channel. I've never covered it before. I can't help but notice their unique box design. The easy cutout on the back makes it such a smooth experience to unbox. When first grabbing this case out of the package, I must say I wasn't blown away. It feels okay-ish. The grip is there alright. You won't ever drop this easily. But then, is that what we buy cases for? I don't think so. I'm here to give my honest opinion on it, and I can't help but notice there are better cases on the market. I prefer the grip texture used on the Smartish Gripzilla. And because this case is in the same price range, I'm not sure if I can even recommend it. Now, I've got the non-MagSafe version here, but they do have a MagSafe version too, which costs like 35 euros instead of the 29 non-MagSafe. So what do I like about this case? Well, it feels sturdy. The design looks good, and those grooves all over the case, they are aligned with the sides, which is very good for my OCD. I think this material used here is also very good. Now, I've never owned the previous models of this case, but I've seen that they had rubber grooves that were sort of like pasted on there. Now they have upgraded it with the grooves that are cut inside the case instead of added on. That's definitely more durable. But now it will be a little more difficult to clean properly. There's also a slight wobble on the side, and of course where the camera bump is. But other than that, it's pretty stable. I like the fact that the bezel on the front sort of like swells up top and bottom, giving it extra protection on the screen. I'm kind of on the fence with this one. What do you think? Make sure to check out my other videos before you make a purchase decision. And other than that, I hope you all have an awesome day.